Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make safe to eat chocolate chip and sugar cookie dough. I remember as a kid, being able to lick the bowls of all kinds of desserts that now we know today it's really not safe to do. These are perfectly safe to eat. We'll go through it step by step, and all the ingredients and measurements are in the description box. Let's go ahead and get started. The first step to making our dough is we want to kill any bacteria that may exist in our flour. Flour, like eggs, can contain bacteria that can make you sick, so we want to make sure we kill it. I've got a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to take my 1 cup of flour and I'm just going to spread it out onto the cookie sheet. Then I'm going to put this in a preheated 350-degree oven for 5 minutes. The first step in making our cookie dough is pretty much the same as any cookie dough. We're going to cream together our butter and sugars. So to the mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. And we'll beat that until it's nice and creamy. Then we'll mix in 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of milk. Then we'll start mixing in our 1 cup of flour. This made a really nice, soft, beautiful cookie dough. And now I'm going to stir in 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using mini chocolate chips, but you could also use regular sized chips. To make our sugar cookie dough, we're once again going to start with 1/2 cup of softened butter. And to that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. And we'll beat that until it's nice and light and fluffy. Next, we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of milk, and we'll just mix that in. Next, we'll start mixing in our cup of flour that I have sterilized in the oven as before. Here are our finished cookie doughs. To the sugar cookie dough, I added some sprinkles. You can also add some food coloring. And there's a lot of things you could do with the chocolate chip dough, such as changing it up to M&Ms or Reeces Pieces. I will put some ideas in the description box for you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to our channel if you already haven't, and be sure to hit that notification button so you can be notified of our future uploads.